Help Lisa bring the lost cat back to its home. Tap the screen to start. Here we go. Tap here to move. Nice driving! Whoa, what a view! Find the group that has less snakes. Way to go! Start time! The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. Find the group that has more feathers. Let's go! Collect all the stars. This trip is amazing! Find the group that has less feathers. Let's go! Start time! Oh wow! What a beautiful place! Find the group that has more snakes. The correct answer is... Oops, wrong way. Try to avoid the obstacles. The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. Find the group that has more frogs. Good job! Collect all the stars. We made it! Wow, look at how far you've come!